Now, Stormtracker 9 weather with meteorologist Marissa Walzak.
Well, another wet morning out there. Some pretty good rain showers across most of the area, though temperatures rather mild. Still looking at those low 50s along the coast, upper 40s along I-5, upper 30s into central Oregon. That's because we're watching the warm front move through the area right now. We'll see that cold front later today. Here's a look at watches, warnings, and advisories across the area. You can tell it's a pretty messy day out there where you see that kind of burnt orange color or kind of a brown tan color there. That is the high wind warning in effect for mainly in our area, the coast. We're looking at sustained winds out of the southwest, 35 to 45 miles per hour with wind gusts close to about 60 or 70 miles per hour. That's once again mainly for the coast region as well as the coast range. And we'll see the winds die down as we head into tonight, but they will pick back up again tomorrow. So a windy day mainly along the coast. Now, in addition to the high wind warnings, we do have flood warnings in effect for the Siuslaw River and also the Coquille River, mainly looking at those very high flood waters. The rivers are either crested or already flooding some of the local areas there. But in addition to these two rivers, we also have a flood warning in effect for the Mohawk River there, mainly near Springfield, looking at those waters rising as well. And we do have a flood advisory in effect for most of the area, a flood watch in effect for most of the area as we continue to see the heavy rains today and tonight. We're looking at all streams, creeks, and rivers to rise as we head into tomorrow. Usually have a delay when we see the rain actually fall and when those rivers rise. So tomorrow we'll definitely see that flooding across the area because of the very heavy rain that we're looking at right now. You can pick it out there all across western Oregon. A very wet morning out there. It will be a wet weekend as showers will continue as we head into tonight and tomorrow. Bigger picture, what we have going on, you can see that cold front as you pick up the clouds. Pretty much where those clouds end, that's the other side or the back side of the cold front. So we still have all of this to work its way through the area as we head into the next couple of hours, actually throughout the rest of the day. So still going to be very wet today, also windy. The strongest winds will be this afternoon and the strongest winds will be also along the coast. Now, it's all due to this storm that will eventually work its way to the north and east today. As we head into tomorrow, we'll see a lull in the shower activity, though there'll still be a few light showers out there, but those showers will quickly pick back up as we move into Monday with another storm, and then another one on Tuesday, and then even another one as we get into the end of the week. So the rain is not done after this weekend. We'll continue to keep things wet across the area. Low 50s along the coast. Once again, very wet and windy, especially this afternoon. Cobb Basin, you're looking at your highs, upper 50s. Also looking at wet conditions, some winds out of the southwest, about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Could be some gusts near 40 miles per hour inland. Same for the Cascades. You'll mainly see those rain showers. That freezing level is up to about 6,000 feet. That will fall to about 4,500 feet once we get into tomorrow. Central Oregon, you're looking at your highs near 50 degrees. Willamette Valley highs into the mid 50s. Looking at wet weather, winds out of the south, 15 to 25. Gusts could be near 40. Here's a look at 7-day forecast along the coast. Once again, continuing to keep it wet across the entire area for the week ahead. We'll see the next storm Monday, then another one on Tuesday, followed by another one on Thursday. For those in the Umpqua Basin, wet as well. High temperatures remaining on average. Windy conditions today. We'll see those winds die down, though, as we head into tomorrow. Cascades, mainly looking at rain-snow mix today, but we'll see that change over to snow as that freezing level will remain around 3,000 feet, a little bit higher on Tuesday, and then a little bit lower once again to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And for the Willamette Valley, we are looking at wet weather as well. Windy conditions today with gusts near 40 miles per hour expected inland. And then as we head throughout the week, we'll have a series of storms continuing to move across the area, kind of a lot like last week, storm after storm, and that's what we're seeing this week as well.
Lots of rain. All right. Thanks, Marissa.